Hello, my dear friends. I am very happy to see you today. Welcome to my Skills Today channel. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos. Have a wonderful day for you. Happy learning. So most of us having a dream to get a job in Zoho Corporation. Because of the free food, salary package and lots of benefits to their employees. For that, you need to learn pattern programs that is frequently asked in Zoho interviews. Don't worry, here I am there to help you. We are going to discuss about the program that is asked by the Zoho interview. Please see the below pattern of the output. And just remember that you have to give the input as 5. Let's we can discuss about the Python program to get our desired output. The input n is nothing but we have to get the number of rows from the user. The outer loop for I in range of 1 and the n plus 1 controls the rows. After the first for loop, we are seeing the print statement and it is adding the spaces to align the numbers properly. Each space is doubled to match the gap between numbers. The inner loop for j in range prints the numbers in descending order for each row. After each row, the program moves to the next line with print statement. Finally, you can get your desired output, which is the answer for this question. I hope you have learned something new today. Thanks for your precious time. I will see you in my next video. Until then, if you have any questions or concerns, please ask in the comments section. I am very happy to help you.